In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel on Webflow. We'll do this using a trusted Webflow app called Signalbeam, which handles the Pixel install for you so you don't have to paste code snippets manually. By the end, your Webflow site will be ready to send events to your Facebook advertising account for better tracking and optimization. Start by opening your Webflow project dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the correct site you want to track. From there, head into the Webflow Apps area or the App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Signalbeam. When you see the Signalbeam app appear in the results, click it to open the full listing. On the app page, take a moment to scan the overview. Click into the description to understand what the app does and how it streamlines analytics and tracking, including Facebook Pixel support. Then switch to the Permissions section. This is important. You'll see what the app can access in your Webflow project, such as site settings, forms, and custom code. Reviewing this helps you confirm it's the right fit and that you're comfortable with the level of access before proceeding. When you're ready, choose Install on Site. Webflow will redirect you to a secure authorization screen for Signalbeam. Here, confirm you're connecting the correct workspace and the exact site you opened earlier. If you manage multiple sites or workspaces, double-check you're picking the one where you want the pixel installed. This avoids accidentally wiring tracking to the wrong project. After selecting the right site, proceed and authorize the app. You may see a summary of requested permissions one more time. Approve the connection to finalize the installation. That's it for the setup flow within Webflow. From this point, Signalbeam is connected to your project and will guide the pixel integration on your behalf. The advantage of using an app like this is reliability and consistency. It places the tracking across your pages, reduces the chance of copy-paste errors, and helps keep updates centralized. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. First, publish your Webflow site so any changes pushed by the app go live. Second, test the installation using a browser extension like the MetaPixel helper to confirm the pixel fires on page load. Finally, keep privacy in mind. If you use a cookie banner or consent tool, make sure your tracking respects visitor choices and local regulations. And that's the process. You've installed Signalbeam from the Webflow App Marketplace, reviewed the details, authorized it for your site, and put